Happy Wednesday, everyone. This is Christian Nabush, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the coastal communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM on social media at CD Selling St. Pete. Today, I want to talk about three of the homes that just hit the market this morning. Two are condos, and one is a typical freestanding home. The first is listed with Coastal Properties Group International, and this condo, the listing agent is Haloy Povey. We have a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,618 square foot condo listed in Clearwater Beach for $2,500,000. We have beach views, in-ground pool, fitness center, all the amenities you expect for a condo in this market. Next, we have a condo, 3 beds, 3.5 baths, 2,270 square feet, listed with Wilkie Incorporated, and Angela Clark is the listing agent. This unit is $1,400,000, and of the amenities, it's waterfront. It's the penthouse level of this condo complex. Beach views, fitness center, community pool, as you would expect in a beautiful community like this. Lastly, we have it's a short sale. Exit Riverside Realty and Carla Allen is the listing agent. We have a 5-bed, 6-bath, 4,794 square foot home, private dock, Gulf access on the intercoastal, water on both sides of the property, and it's listed for $1,299,000. If these homes or any others here in the Gulf communities are of interest to you, please give me a call. Once again, my number is 727-303-1521, or social media, send me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.